Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the list view control with dynamic list we have to assign in the Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better by my video lecture. And here I already open ADT bundle, Eclipse, and our device is also I launch. So that is ready. So we cannot consume our time. So yes, I think you have to know in window that is Android Virtual Device Manager and select your AVD, start and launch. So I already complete this process. So our device is ready. So you can select any device. Yes, that is I take a small size. You can also take a resolution, uh, depend upon your requirement. So now second step in file menu, we can take new Android application project and here that we can give like dynamic, yes, and LV list view. So that we can assign the list as dynamic and that our workspace proper that folder is selected. Yes, here we can change the icon. Yes, just you can browse and here that picture, that folder and image, and I already download two icons. So first one that I select open, so you can look here that change, and next blank activity, so main activity and activity underscore main, so that is Java and that is XML file. So finish. So that takes some process, and after taking some process that open or create our apps. So yes, now that create and process is complete. So look, our icon is changed. Now what to do? So here we can select first hello world, and that is a text view. So I delete, and we can select in composite folder, and that is a list view. So that is our goal of this session. So you can look here, that is a all screen spread. Yes, so we can require. Yes, so what to do? So here we can provide width and height. So yes, match parent. Yes, that width is match parent, but height we can change, and that is a, like we can say that 200 dp. So that is a scalable independent pixel. So look that height. So yes, that complete, and we can take as above. So yes, now that perfectly. Now we can assign our list. So yes, that is a S res. Yes, that resources and then value folder and then string.xml file. So in this file, that is our hello world and that our apps name, that menu name setting, all are there. So now we can take a string array. So string array, that is also resources, and we can give the name of that array, and that we can use any list. Here I use as a programming language. You can use like fruits, birds, uh, animals. Yes, our Android code name like Froyo, KitKat, Jelly Bean. Yes, that type. All you can use depend upon your choice, your hobbies. Yes, so all are you can list bind. So here we can use as item as child tag and assign to like first that is a C language. So yes, and then I copy and paste number of time. So we can use as our programming language. So that's sufficient. So yes, C, then after we can second same data structure, then third same C++, then we can say that fourth same you can learn the Java, and fifth same that is a J2EE. Yes, and then here in current semester of Android and Python. Yes, I also take as Python. So that is complete. So control S, we can save and assign to first. Yes, I use as a static way. So you can distinct how the dynamic and static. So you have to know that is a entry. Yes, Android colon entry, that is a attributes, and here you can look array, and then our P language programming language. So control S save, and here that not directly display, we can run. So yes, our device is ready. So let us run Android application project or Android application. So yes, that takes some time. Yes, that is a process is here come start and takes some time. After that, display our list view control, and that is a static way, but here we can use as a dynamic way. I just show you what is a different. So you can look, that is a automatically scroll bar is appear. We can take as a height small. If you take all size, that not bind that scroll bar because that not required. So now that is a not width, we have to some decrease. So now what to do? So when we can select that display in TOS or text view, so you can both choice. In Android, TOS class make text method use, or text view we can display your output. So now I can minimize and take what is a distinct. So here we can list provide as first technique, and I remove the entry. So here we cannot static way. So what to do? So here I select this line and remove. So how to bind that list? Yes. So that is a dynamic way. So we cannot use in the activity underscore main.xml file. That is a static way. Now we can use src at our Java file, and that is a array adapter class we have to use. So first we can take our end list view. Yes, that is a reference. So list view. Yes, you can look here, and that I take like LV1 list view one. Yes, or just LV because L and 1 both are same looking. So we can LV. Yes, and LV then find you by ID. Yes, and that we can say that r dot id dot, that is a we cannot change that id list view one. You also change, but here I cannot use change any variable name in the list view. So add cast to list view. Yes, because find you by id return is a view parent class, so we can must be typecasting. And now what to do? So how to we can apply the list? So we can say that the final keyword. Yes, I first not use. Yes, we can change array adapter. Yes, so array adapter class. You can look here array adapter. So yes, not only adapter, array first. Yes, so then that appear. So array and then adapter. So now you can look, that is a same package android.widget, and that T4 any that suitable data type. So here we can use as a string and give the object adapter and assign to memory allocation new, and again that is array adapter. So you can look here, that is a overloaded. So any version we have to use. So first, that is a get application context. Yes, and then I full screen. So second, that is a resources. So first that we can use. Yes, here you can also use this keyword. So layout we have to provide. So android dot r dot layout, and then we can select just any layout for like a simple list item, because that is a list view. So simple list item one. Yes, and now that is a third argument. So we can take the list. So how to take list? So we can use as one string array. So string, and then we can say that our list. So str, and you can also subscript arrays before or after. That is a apply in Java both way. So both syntax that you can use. Now what to do? So string, then we can get resources. So that is a method of context theme wrapper class, and then get string array. Yes, and now r dot array, not id, array, and then our p language. You can look here, that name is appear p programming language, and that assigned to string array, and this array we can pass to as third argument. So that list is bind to our array adapter class. And now lv dot set adapter method is there. So you can look here, and we can pass the adapter, that object. So list is fine. So let us check. So that is a dynamic way. So we can use as a static web first, and now you can understand we can use as a array adapter class. So that is the same package where our all control is there. Widget or widget, you can say that. So yes, I think I save Control S and let us I run again. So that list is bind, then we can select item and display. So yes, you can wait that taking some time. Yes, that process is going on, and now I think that is appear. So you can look in status bar. Yes, now that appear complete 100%. So yes, that is list. Yes, that not perfectly display. After we can select that display. So yes, here that is a layout problem, not our any problem. So let us check. We can change the layout. So we can say that so many layout is there. So here like a simple drop down list item is there, or we can say that simple list. Yes, selected, not spinner. We can spinner time, but we have to use like simple list item one. Yes, so we can already take simple list item one. So let us check. We can drop down. Yes, simple drop down list one underscore line one. Let us check. And now what to do? So both we have to check. Yes, now we can start other or listener. So LV, and then we can say that set on. Yes, you can set on item selected listener also, or that is a, we can say that item click listener. Yes, both. Let us check. First I select as item on click listener, and next new anonymous inner type, that is a on item selected, and here for semicolon. Yes, and that on item click listener we can import. So one error is gone, and second time that giving the error. So what is unimplement method? So now that method is appear, and now we can use as our toast class. So we can use as a first get the list of items. So that is a where that item. So you can look, that is an integer, and that is arg, that is giving the index. So you can directly like p for position, or that is an index. So we can take toss dot make text get application context, and here we can print like a value. But how value variable? So yes, I take from like toss. First I use short and show method. Yes, that show, that not display, because we have to not taking value. So value we can define as a string variable value, and that get item, that is a method. You can look intent is not, but get item. So yes, that I take get item, but yes, that is not appear. We can use array adapter. Yes, adapter, so that is appear. So adapter class object, and we can use as a method of get data. So adapter, yes, that p is remaining. So now that is, yes, perfect. Now yes, now get item, that is a method of array adapter class, and return type is a string value, and you can pass the position. So here we can pass the position as a p. Yes, that is our position. So let us check. And yes, why that taking error? Adapter. Yes, so here we can already adapter. So yes, that is a adapter. Yes, that spelling is correct. Why that giving the error? So let us check ADAPTR. Again, yes, that is taking error. Why? You can change, yes, that I previously told you, you can change the modifier adapter to final. So here that is a final keyword. So then and then your list is not changed and we can get the position and then print that position. So string variable, that value return, that item position and position, that value in the string return. So we can print in the toast class. And now here I use as a show method. So that is a display. So yes, that now perfectly. So show, all are well. So control S and let us check. We can run our apps. So directly we can use this button. So yes, that is previously output. We can change our layout. So let us display that list or not. So when we can click, that item is display, but when we can run, that item also display visibility because that is in the white layout color. So that not display previously. So now I think yes, that is not display. But when we can select, yes, you can look, that is DS. Yes, that print perfectly. So yes, I C++, but we cannot identify which item is where. Here there is a list view is there, but you can look, all are perfectly, but that is when we can select, that is a display again. So now I can scroll and display like here. Yes, now C++. So that is a perfectly, our coding is ready, but here that is an internal layout problem, means that layout. So here, yes, that is a final keyword. Automatically you can require that I previously not assign, but that taking error, so we can take as final keyword. And now what to do? So here that is a layout problem, so we can use as a simple dialog item. That is not, I think, proper. The simple list item one, that already display, but that here not display. So let us item two, I think, can save and run again. So let us that display or not. So our coding and that all are well, but that item is not visibility. That is a only layout problem. So that is not our layout, but inbuilt layout. So cannot change any. Yes, now is, yes, that is not supported. So yes, why that error? Because that item one is not supported, two is not supported, but we can take as a one. So I think now perfectly. So yes, that is a just layout problem. Otherwise all are well. So again I run save, and now our list is not, when we can select. So previously we can use static way, that is display perfectly, but now we can use dynamic, and that is a simple underscore list item one. So that displays by default, and now our application is running, and that time I think not any error because we can change the item. Yes, look, but that item is not displayed. That is only problem. Yes, yes, Python select, all are well. Android now appear. You can look now J2EE. So when we can click, that time display Java. Yes, which item where we have to not find out. So that is a dynamic way we can bind the list in list view. All are well, but here let us check. Can assign like spinner time, that layout we can use like simple spinner item. Let us check that, try. So that item is visibility or not. So that is a previously output, and now that running our apps. Yes, here taking some process. Now that I think 100% compilation is complete. Yes, now display, but that item is not display. Again, same problem. So all list we have to check, but sometimes that is display automatically. So I already testing, then I take my video lecture. But sometimes that is a problem. So that is a ADT and inbuilt, that is layout problem, or not any problem in our coding side. So you can use Android Visual Android Studio. So that is a better, that is in ADT bundle, that sometimes that type of simple issue is created, means that list you not supported, only our item is not visible, otherwise our coding is, you can testing, means that apply to yourself this coding. So now I can summarize what to do in this session. So we can take one list view, and first that list view we can change that the id is not changed, we can also change, and height we can change in the 200 dp, and then taking in res string.xml file, and take your any list to item array list, that is a, and you can also use in this directly to your string, like I just show you. So you can look in opening closing brace and directly assign like C language. Yes, that is a possibility. So you can take yes in double quote, like that after ds, and then what to do. So yes, you can directly str, not like this line you cannot take afterward, you can list static way here, but assign to dynamic way. List is a static, but that technique assign in the array adapter class, that is a dynamic. So both is well. So you cannot use in the string.xml directly in the Java, in the provide your list like any your choice. So both technique I just show you. So I remove this because we have to use that is perfectly. So get resources, get string array r dot array dot our that string array name, and pass that string variable. So otherwise you can take directly list to here. So this line is not required. Yes, only one this line. Otherwise all code is perfectly. So final keyword, yes, array adapter, string array adapter, new, and object we can pass three uh, argument in the constructor of array adapter class. So get application context or main activity dot this, android dot r dot layout simple spinner item one, and str, that is our string array, that is variable name, and then set on item click listener, and then we can use as a third argument. So that is a p for position, or we can say that pass the position, get item, that is adapter, that class method, array adapter, that object get item, and get item return is a string value. So we can take value handler and print in the toast class, because that is a string. So yes, let us check. Last time use as previous, that is a simple item one, that is a best choice, but that not support, means that not display our item. So I run again. So yes, here that is a very small line, you can look here, but now I use simple list item again. So sometimes that automatically item is visible, and that is a inbuilt layout problem. So that our not any problem. Yes, you can look at again same. So item is bind up and selected, display all are well, but not visible is only problem. Okay. So now I hope you can understand and enjoy. So you can apply different type of layout. It is only require testing. So list is bind in list view perfectly in the array adapter final keyword you can use, and array adapter class get item we can take string and print in the toss, or you can also use as a text view. So now I can finish my session. Yes, any question regarding this definition, dynamic list assigned to the list view control in Android? So write in the comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. Subscribe my channel Ashok C Jala Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.